everyone, this is Voila Dating, a personalized dating app that is powered by AI. After you build your profile, Voila can tell you many things about your pictures. For example, how old you look on them, as well as on which picture you look at your best. It can also tell you which celebrities you look like. Using those same features, we can narrow our search when we swipe left or right by adding a celeb lookalike filter, for example. In this case, I will choose Britney Spears. Using face recognition, Voila will only show me matches which have a similar look to the picture above. In this case, Britney Spears. However, we can use a custom image as well. Voila has a personal AI assistant who can learn your taste, and when active, it will show you people who are more likely your taste. We also have in Voila a custom text search filter where you can type anything you want. For example, if you want to find someone who is vegan, you can type it here. In this case, I will search for someone who is a New York Yankee fan. And it will show me people who wrote that about themselves. And if it is, it will be here. When we made Voila, we learned many things from our users. For example, how overwhelming it can be to get too many messages. In order to help you get a more meaningful connection, our members can start the conversation up to 3 times. In order to have another one, you will have to clear one of your active slots so you can focus on what matters most, a meaningful connection. We hope you will enjoy using our app. It is available now on the Play Store.